If you cannot record your sound while you're screen recording, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And the control center, just look for the option of screen recording. If you cannot find the screen recording icon in your control center, then just tap and hold on the empty space in your control center and tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just scroll down and look for the option of screen recording. After you find it, just tap on it to add it to your control center. Now after you do that, then just tap on anywhere on the screen and select Done. After you do that, then just tap and hold on the screen recording icon and select More Settings. From here under the Sound Settings, just make sure you enable Record System Sound. Now if you enable this toggle, you will record the system sound while you're screen recording. And if you want to record your sound from the microphones of your phone, just enable Record Microphone Sound. Select OK. And after you do that, you will be able to record your sound while you're screen recording. Now after you enable both of these options, now just go back and open the control center. Now just start screen recording. Now as you can see, allow screen recording to record audio. Just make sure you select while using the app. Make sure you enable record microphone audio and record system audio, then start recording. Now as you can see, we have started recording and we have started recording our sound from the microphone of our Oppo phone. Now let's stop the screen recording. Now from here, let's go to the gallery app. As you can see, this is the screen recording which we have recorded. Now as you can see, we have started recording and we have started recording our sound from the microphone just like that. Now if you have done that, but if this also did not work, then just open the control center one more time, and from here just look for the option of sensors off. If you cannot find the option of sensors off, just look for the option of microphone. If you cannot find both of these options over here, then just tap and hold on the empty space on your control center and tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just look for the option of sensors off and the microphone option. As you can see, this is the microphone access option. Just tap on it to add it to your control center. Now also look for the option sensors off. If you cannot find it, just leave it. Then tap on anywhere on the screen and tap on Done. Now if the microphone access has been denied, just turn it off, because when you enable this option, you will turn off the microphone access from your phone. For an example, I will open the voice recorder app. Now if I start recording, as you can see, it is recording my sound. But if I open the control center and if I turn off this feature, as you can see, it has stopped recording my sound because we have disabled the microphone access. So make sure you enable the microphone access so you will be able to record your sound while you're screen recording. So make sure you enable this feature. And this is how you can fix no sound while screen recording on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.